There's one thing that I haven't been eating, and that's chicken legs. I was like, when was the last time that I cooked chicken legs? So, thought, hey, let me get out the Weber kettle, hot rod right here. Got me the Royal Oak charcoal briquettes. I'm using the Skyflame charcoal basket heat diffuser to allow me to indirect cook, so I can use all of my cooking grade. But with, you know, chicken legs, what I got, they're not going to cover the entire cooking grate. But if there's something that you need to do, or you're going to cover the whole cooking grate, that's an awesome accessory to use. So I'm getting the kettle up to 300. I may go over past that. I'm good with that. Let the kettle do its thing, and I'm seasoning it with salt lick. There are 2 rubs. They're all-purpose rub, and then they're chicken rub. I really enjoy their seasoning. They taste great. So that's one thing that I do enjoy from them. So that's what's going to be going on in this kettle right here. It's going to be a simple cook. You can't beat chicken legs, right? You just can't. So at the end, you know what I'm going to do. You know what I always put down the majority of my food. That Texas pepper jelly. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sauce them up. So that's going to be towards the end. So let's get to cooking. Alright, so here are the chicken legs. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean this off a little bit. There it is. Alright. Yeah. Get this one more towards the end since it's smaller. Because with this Skyflame charcoal basket heat diffuser, remember the charcoal is going to be right in the middle, so the heat source is going to be even hotter right there. So that's why I placed the smaller chicken leg towards the away from it. That's what it is. I mean, if you had even more legs, you could fit even more if you want, you know, but this is what I got going right now. So let's get the lid on. Said I'm gonna go for 300, and then maybe during the cook I'm gonna probably boost it up to 350, the temp of the kettle. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be some good eating right there. Some simple cooking, but good eating. Can't beat that. Let's check. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. Let's give them a flip. Oh yeah. Man, oh man. Oh. This one's still stuck a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Do a turnaround right there. Let's get it right there. And you right there. So remember, like I said, the charcoal basket's right there in the middle, so all your heat's gonna be right there. So I'm cooking above 300. So yeah, you're gonna get pretty fast cook. So you can tell they look good already. But yeah, look at that. But let's close it up and then continue on. I'll check back in maybe another 30 minutes or so. We'll see. 25-30 minutes, we'll see. Well, we're sitting at 300. Can you tell? Can you tell? That better for you? All right. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Get a closer look. What do you think? Think they're done? Think you're done? Look at that. That's beautiful. Man, I know I say I was gonna hit some Texas pepper jelly at the end. Man, they look beautiful just the way they are right now. Man, look at that. I'm telling you, the simplest thing you can do on a grill is chicken legs. Man. But you can also too check, because yeah, I mean, they're gonna be, see, oh, there you are. So I'm gonna sauce them up in a little bit. Hold on. Yeah, so I'm gonna sauce them up right now, and then I'm gonna start eating. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, there you go. A peach mango. I'm not going to do all of them. Reason why? Because some of them I want to taste the seasoning. Yeah. Look at this, saucing them up. I'm painting right now. I'm painting Bob Ross over here. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna let them chill for about 5 minutes. And then got right here some cracked sausage right here. Best sausage in Texas. Best sausage in Texas. So I'm gonna place it right there. Alright. 5 minutes and then we're done. Alright. They're done. Look at that. Beautiful. You just can't go wrong, man. You just can't go wrong with chicken legs, right? Alright. I'm gonna place it just a little closer. I don't want it directly over in the middle, because I don't want to overdo this sausage right here. So that's gonna go. Beautiful. I'm gonna let it chill and then I'm gonna eat. All right. Well, this was an easy cook. 1 hour. That's all it took. Temp of the kettle was going from 300 to around 320, but then it went back down to 300. It remained there for that whole hour. So I was able to cook all this right here. And this beautiful Lockhart sausage from Kreitz, best in Texas. But yeah, hey, look at that, beautiful. So recap: season them with the Salt Lick rub, barbecue original, and their chicken rub. Temp around 300, 320 for an hour, and then hit it with that Texas pepper jelly. Yeah. So it smells so good. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Oh man. Man, not dry at all. Let's see, get a close up of that. Man. Oh man. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. So you know, I thought I'd do a simple cook. Mm-mm-mm. On this hot rod right here. Hot rod, and doesn't disappoint. Mm-mm-mm. Man. Some skin. Mm-mm-mm. Some crispy skin. Mm-mm-mm. That's what happens when you cook at a higher temp. You get some crispy skin. But man, you know, I love doing long cooks because I can just chill out, listen to music, drink your favorite beverage. But hey, sometimes you go hot and fast, right? Oh man. Well, I'm gonna go devour this inside. So, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Oh, it's been a good day.